I'm going to unbox this new Arrow nail stapler gun. I've been wanting one of these to do my DIYs with, and it's supposed to shoot staples and little bitty nails. So let's see how well it works. I've got a little project I've been working on that I want to use it on. So, nice little bag. Comes with a nice little bag. Let's see. Little pocket for it and everything. You know, looks pretty nice. Now I'm just going to figure out how to load it. I've got some staples that I think will fit, so we're going to work on that. See about it. Comes all twisted up here. Woo! That almost went in the floor. See what we got going on. Alright, we're live. Probably shouldn't have done that until I got staples in it. Let's see. Alright, there's an on-off switch, so that's there. Simple. Oh, just popped right out. Okay. Says Brad's here. Okay. Oh, okay. I guess they go in here. I'm not doing the Brads right now, but I'm going to try to put, I think these go in here. Just pop that in there. So this is, I guess, the safety switch. Woo! Yeah, pop that right on out. Well, I don't want that. Shit. No. Oops. Alright, let's try that again. Oh, crap, man. Okay, I didn't mess it up. Thought I messed it up there for a sec. Alright. Pull that back. Safety that up. Dang. Don't do that. Now, let's see. We're gonna... I don't know. I think that's on. Well, let's check it out. Put that in here. I'm actually scared. Alright, that's not the on switch. Alright. Maybe that's on. Okay, that's on. Woo! Whatever. Okay, it made a noise. Whoa, man! That just did come out. Wow. Oh, God. Let's see. What? Wow, that went in there flat too, boy. There is no raise up. You know, some of them do that. See, it is flat. And got it together. Wow, that's all right. Hey, there you go, man. Just get you one of these. I'm gonna say A+. That's in there.